Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at actually what we're doing is there was a request for an explanation of some old style formatting using the modulo placeholder, and that's what I said we're going to do. If somebody needs something explained, we're going to do it. So let's just jump into it. So, all right. Also, if you're new here, thanks for subscribing. So excited about all these views and all the subscribers and all the comments and all the video requests. So if you are new, the way that we do things around here is we do small little snippets of code and examples, and then we put it all together. So, all right. There are quite a few. There's the string, modulo S, then modulo D, then there's an R, but let's just use, we'll just use string for right now. So, all right, print, and this is the way that it works. My name is. Then I do my placeholder, close this out. Then this is where it's different. Then we do here, and then we close that out. So, all right. So let's run this, see what happens. All right. My name is Sam. Now, here's how we handle multiple variables. Excuse me. It's late. All right. And all right. Then now when you have multiple, you've got to put it inside, you've got to wrap it, because Python needs this little tuple for this to work. So, all right, come through, and lo and behold, here we are. Now, let's look at this, because here is one thing that does, sorry about that, one thing that does change things just a little bit. And now you can also have F for floats and some others. But let's just look at the, because here's one that I do like. This is something that's pretty neat. I did like this one for the alignment. I always got a kick out of this one. All right. 10 S. All right. So you do like that one, and then you can copy, paste, and then you place the minus sign in front of it. So, all right, there you go. So these are some of the things, but to really understand this is just breaking this up right here. And you've got to put your tuple if you have multiple variables, and you just have one little placeholder. And then you can do this with digits. Let's look at this with a digit, and then we'll look at floats as well. All right, print, then we do %d, close that out, age. Now, this is how we can format it with for a digit, and same setup. just like so. And there we go. So we have some spacing, padding, because that's not the same as alignment. It's padding right there. And let's do a float, and then we'll just wrap this up. What's a good one? Pi? Alright, so there's pi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now what we'll do, let's, too much garbage here. Okay, but leave it there so you guys can see it. Okay. I think I might need to sneeze, so forgive me. Okay. 0, 6, 2, and then float. That's right. Then, and we used pi. So, okay. So, alright, this is a little weird. Total 6 places, 2 after the decimal. Alright, so let's look at this. We're going to copy this and do it a couple times so this sinks in. Alright, let's tweak this. Change it to 7. Change it to 3. Length, trailing, decimal. That's how I had to remember it. It's after the decimal, right? So this is the total that I want. This is how many trailing. So count the decimal. 2, 4, 6, 7, 3 after the decimal. So you can look at this any way like that. I like that one. So alright, there we go. I hope this gives you guys a little bit more about if you run across some old code. I think that was the real question of this, is making sure it was understood. There's some old code floating around. So I love the question. I love getting to talk about it, and I never really thought about it. That's a really good point. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And we'll just keep going, and the next video, it'll have everything wrapped up that we've been working on for the past few about CSV files. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.